It's my honor and privilege to be in front of you to announce this collaboration and the first of its kind in ASEAN to manufacture vehicles in our Gurun plant in Malaysia. This is an important milestone.
作为领跑在东南亚的首个的建立合作关系的国家，马来西亚政府以及相关各方都给予了我们最大的信任和支持，为我们拓展东南亚市场夯实了基础。今天签约仪式的举办，既是领跑汽车深化全球化战略部署的重要的新的起点。未来，我们将在马来西亚探索更多合作的可能性。
This initiative is not only underscore our dedication to the region, but also emphasize Malaysia a pivotal role in achieving our goal of establishing an EV production powerhouse for Stellantis within India and the Asia-Pacific region.
Leapmotor, a leap forward.